Allie, you're going to hear an awful lot of heavy breathing on my, yeah. All right, let's see. Yep, probably need a little bit more. Yes.
What is a Zuni bowl?
Um,
What is this all about?
so a Zuni bowl, and then all of these things we're doing, the one rock dams and the rock runouts, are basically erosion control structures. They use natural materials and, more importantly, natural processes to not just stop erosion, but then help build back up soil, retain water. And this is one of the biggest issues in our part of the world right now, are these, I mean, erosion has always been a problem here. That's part of the reason we have these amazing landscapes. It's not really a problem.
Are we talking about water
It's a
erosion?
fact. Water erosion, yeah. Water does the vast majority, the lion's share of all the eroding here. People on a windy day will say, oh, wind does it, but it's really water. But the problem now is that we've got a combination of factors really leading the charge is climate change in many ways. Our ground is drier because things are hotter and we aren't getting as much moisture. This last winter was a change from the last couple of decades. But you know, all the scientists say we're in the driest period for the last 1,200 years. And so what that's doing is we're not getting as much winter moisture, which is what really helps saturate the ground and helps things grow. So our ground is drier, the air is drier, the air is warmer. And now when we do get storms, like these big monsoon storms that come in July and August and early September, they're falling on ground that's baked so hard that it can't soak in. And they're coming fast and furious, really, really big. Bigger monsoons than we've had in recent memory in some cases. So what that does is it runs down off the ground and then it starts eroding these gullies. And these gullies begin to cut headwardly. They erode back up, 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 and they take away soil. They take away the ability for vegetation to survive, because as the gully goes down, the water tables, such as it is, will drop with the gullies. So then you have things that are left kind of high and dry. So what we're trying to do is help. We want to see if this works. And these erosion control structures have been used by indigenous peoples all over the world for a very long time. Africa, India, indigenous peoples here. So this is not new technology at all, and that's probably one of the best things about it. It's not new, and it's using just things we can find right here, rocks and soil. And so if this can work, there are some places in the monument where we could potentially take this technology to help everything from shoring up archaeological sites that are about to be eroded out, or paleontological sites that are about to be eroded out, or even, you can even stop erosion across a road or things like that. So the hope is that this will work pretty well and we can move this into a larger scale in places in the monument.